Little Amy Club.
Hello, little artist. Today we're going to draw a super sweet ice cream bar. Let's get started. First, draw a big rounded ice cream. Nice job! Now, draw the stick at the bottom. Great! Next, draw a wavy line across the ice cream bar. Beautiful! Let's decorate the top. Draw lots of colorful sprinkles and little dots. Draw another wavy line near the bottom. Let's add some cute little hearts. How many hearts can you draw? You can make every sprinkle a different shape. Now it's time to color. Color the top pink. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Next, color the sprinkles. Use lots of bright colors. You can design your own ice cream bar. Now color the middle part a light beige. Color the bottom chocolate part brown. Now color the stick a light brown. Almost finished. Is it looking delicious? Add some shiny highlights and soft shadows. Now your ice cream bar looks extra sweet. This ice cream bar looks amazing. Drawing is so fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.